Properties of greatest integer function. Greatest integer function 2 equals to 2. Greatest integer function minus 2 equals to minus 2. Greatest integer function 2 plus greatest integer function minus 2 equals to 2 plus of minus 2 equals to 0. Greatest integer function 2.2 equals to 2. Greatest integer function minus 2.2 equals to minus 3. Greatest integer function 2.2 plus greatest integer function minus 2.2 equals to 2 plus minus 3 equals to minus 1. So, we can say that for if x belongs to integers, greatest integer function x plus greatest integer function minus x is equal to 0. For if x does not belong to integers, greatest integer function x plus greatest integer function minus x equals to minus 1. Greatest integer function 2.2 equals to 2. Greatest integer function minus 2.2 equals to minus 3. Greatest integer function 2.2 minus greatest integer function minus 2.2 equals to 2 minus of minus 3 equals to 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Greatest integer function x minus greatest integer function minus x equals to 2n minus 1 if n minus 1 is less than x less than n belongs to I. Greatest integer function x minus greatest integer function minus x equals to 2n plus 1 if x equals to n plus set x, n belongs to I. Greatest integer function 2.4 plus greatest integer function 3.8 equals to 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Greatest integer function 2.4 plus 3.8 equals to greatest integer function 6.2 equals to 6. Greatest integer function x plus y is greater than or equals to greatest integer function x plus greatest integer function y. Greatest integer function x plus y equals to greatest integer function x plus greatest integer function y if either x or y or both are integers. Greatest integer function 2.2 equals to 2 is greater than or equals to 1. Greatest integer function x is greater than or equals to k, implies x is greater than or equals to k where k belongs to z. Greatest integer function 2.2 equals to 2 is less than or equals to 3. Greatest integer function x is less than or equals to k, implies x is less than k plus 1 where k belongs to z. Greatest integer function x is greater than k implies x is greater than or equals to k plus 1 where k belongs to z. Greatest integer function x is less than k implies x less than k where k belongs to z. Greatest integer function x is less than or equals to x less than greatest integer function x plus 1. Greatest integer function x equals to greatest integer function of greatest integer function x. Greatest integer function x upon n plus greatest integer function x plus 1 upon n plus greatest integer function x plus 2 upon n plus and so on greatest integer function x plus n minus 1 upon n equals to greatest integer function x, n belongs to natural number set.